Hi viewers, today video topic XDC network price prediction update forecast, latest technical analysis, last 24 hours 11.30% pump increase, coming days 10% to 15%, rising up. Technical indicators current sentiment is bullish. 24-hour trading volume 18 million, market cap 480 million, market dominance 0.05%, current circulating supply 12.30 billion, out of supply 38 billion. XDC network traded for cryptocurrency exchanges KuCoin, Gate.io, and many other exchanges. XDC 52% green days, price volatility 3% last 1 month. Currently RSI, relative strength index momentum value 56.25 indicators. XDC indicates XDC market is neutral position. Currently XDC 28 technical analysis indicators signaling is bullish signals and 3 signal is bearish signals. Weekly EMA exponential moving average 21, 50, 100, 200 bullish buy. Support levels 0.035, 047, 0.33038 and 0.031805. Resistance levels 0.038, 0.03947 and 0.041302. XDC forecast. Current technical indicator sentiment is bullish, prediction good. Best time investment by entry trade profitable. XDC network. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update, forecast. Goodbye.